Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, igama lami nguMabielo Muhle, Intombi Zulu. Welcome to Life of Pearl. Guys, today is a Wednesday. You're gonna be spending a day with me. I'm not going to class. I don't have classes on Wednesday, but I'm gonna go to the library at around 2 o'clock and I'm gonna come back late. Yeah, man, I wanna eat my oats. I'm gonna have overnight oats. I made overnight oats yesterday and then I'm gonna pack my books and do in things or like I'm saying Lambi because I know very well since because Galamba every 2 seconds. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and to subscribe to be part of the channel. We are on a road to 60 subscribers. I just wish by the time I post this video we're gonna be already on 60, sorry, and then we are going straight to 100. Thank you guys. Bye. Let's get ready. My oats. I'm gonna add some bananas actually. Guys, since I don't buy out 2 for the month. 1, 2. Literally, let me show you. Like 1, 2. Like kanja and since I don't buy out 2. Like I love bananas. That was the time I was doing grocery. I wanted to buy 2 packs and I was like, I've been dramatic. Yeah, I need bananas. I can't actually. But sure.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Just some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.
We do not exist in any other instant. Here in this dimension, you and I are meant to be. I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you of the things you've been dreaming times two. I promise you. Just give me 24, man, all I need is 24 hours. I promise you want plenty more. You'll probably be ready forever. So how does it sound? Hands on the ground, giving you my love, my love, my love, my love. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. You gotta stay ready. There's no place quite like.
I'm recording for the second time. But anyways, guys, I know I said I was gonna go to the library again, but now I don't think I will because now my mood just dropped. It just dropped. Not that I don't know what happened. I know exactly what happened. It's just that I don't think it's my place to tell, or I feel like it's too early to tell. It's way too personal and it involves family members. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's pointless. My forehead is all out, Sana. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and to subscribe to be part of the channel. Me, Megan Tanda. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye.